the sorry that you can't really see me that well. Yeah. Basically, I got some Girl Scout cookies. They just arrived right now, so I'm gonna show you them and do a taste test. So yeah, be right back.
How do I get on YouTube, babe?
No. Charge my iPod, please. So I am back. With these. They're called Caramel Delight. Have the scissors, please.
You know where they are.
Oh yeah.
Charge your iPod.
Oh yeah, I forgot I told you that. I'm so unprepared. So this is what it looks like before because I took off the box. So yeah, I'm gonna open this up. Be careful if you do have them. They look good. These look very, very scrumptious. So yeah. Caramel Delight is very good. Oh?
You gotta save some for Alexandra.
What?
No.
Very good, indeed. So I'll be right back. I'm back, and we are doing this. Let me just cut these. Ooh, these are huge. Don't know if I can finish him. These are huge. Huge.
I'm gonna make sure this works.
This is how big they are. These are so big. Look. Look how big they are.
Ooh, those are.
I know.
We should have ordered more.
When you're eating it, it's sour.
They are?
Yeah. But
You like sour?
yeah. But definitely very, very
Did
good.
you show everyone how you do your rocket math?
No. It's. Can you go to the other one?
These are the most famous of all, like Rudolph.
Are those the last ones? Okay.
That's all you and Alex order.
Okay.
What ones do you like the most?
I don't know yet.
Which one do you like the best so far?
Wait. The coconut. So the next one, my mom says they are the famous ones. So they Thin Mints. So I'm gonna open it.
They're really good if they're frozen.
Frozen, let go. Guys, no, I do not like that song. Can I just do it the opposite way? Probably easier. Yeah, it's easier. Okay. Ooh, I see why they're so famous. Two of them
them back in the box.
I know I'm showing them. There's 2 in these. I'm gonna put this in. Put them back. Nice and silver. You want one?
Maybe. I'm gonna freeze them.
I like them.
What ones do you like the most?
They're probably the coconut.
The what?
Guys, the coconut. The coconut ones. But leave in the comments down below. Somewhere down there. Somewhere down there. Yeah, somewhere down there. Tell me if what is your favorite Girl Scout cookie? Mine. By far this.
That's the best one?
Mhm.
Want me to see if she has any more?
Oh no, they're gone.
What?
They're gone.
No.
I didn't.
Okay.
Ah! So, yeah, that's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed. Please subscribe. See you in the next video. Bye!
Do you want me to order more if I can't get them?